Alright guys, welcome back to the channel Into the Garden. As you can see, we were hit by the snow last night. It has started to melt a bit. It is still 0 degrees C at the moment here. Got down to about -2 last night. But as you can see, we had around approximately about 2 inches of snow. Now, looking back on the forecasts over the past few days, it was kind of 50-50 whether we would get the snow or the rain. But as it became more likely that we were going to get the snow, I went out and covered a few more of the plants. But as you can just see here, guys, it has been melting this morning, but we still have a fair amount of snow over the plants. Of course, with this said, we are due for a few more days of sort of cold weather, so of course all my protections will be staying in place for now. But just walking around, guys, you can see snow-wise certainly has a fair amount has come down. Now, certainly for our area of the UK, we don't typically get snow on a normal year. If we do, it's mainly kind of flurries and things like that. So this is a slightly different one for us. There is a potential of more snow over the next few days, but as you can see, guys, at least for now, I'm fairly happy. With what I did get protected under the butia there, you can just see ground-wise, we've not got any sort of snow underneath that, which was part of the goal of that. But of course, guys, with these things said, we can never predict the winters. It's always good to have a little bit of preparation beforehand, keep a good eye on the weather. It just means you won't get caught out. As you can see here, guys, on the bamboo, that's been lent over as well. Just coming around here to the back of the pool area. Again, you can see, guys, that's a fair amount of snow still on the ground here. Coverings all still in place, and for now, guys, we're just kind of taking light of the situation. Again, this is all part of the kind of tropical gardening in the UK, so in some ways, guys, this is kind of what we prepare for when this does happen. Just see Musa Pasture at the back there, guys. Yeah, a lot of snow on that. Half of that clump is protected, as you can see, and we'll just come up here if we can get that to focus. And it started knocking down a lot of those leaves here. Just off the back, guys, again, you can just see Tetrapanax. That's been pulled over as well. Again, so, all of this to be expected with the snow and the cold weather. But it is finally here. And at the moment, guys, you can just see Dicksonia antarctica. That's had a full covering on it as well. But yes, of course, guys, what we'll do is just keep you updated over the next few days. Of course, if you haven't subscribed, drop a subscribe on the channel. Like always helps the channel to grow, and we'll see you on the next one.